Hi friends, how to learn coding? This is the common question from many aspiring software engineers. Am I correct? Let us try to understand few important points on how to learn coding in this video. Before that, I would like to request you to subscribe to our SciTechwiz channel. If you really like our video, please don't forget to click the like button and leave a lovely comment in the comment section. Let us go to the topic. Whenever we are talking about coding, this is really an exciting journey. Of course, it's a rewarding journey, right? So, while choosing learning path for coding, point number 1, choose a programming language. If you are searching in the internet, there are so many programming languages to choose from. For example, Python, JavaScript, the famous Java, C++, right? So, start with a programming language that is beginner friendly and widely used. These two are important. For example, Python. It is beginner friendly. It is widely used. It has a straightforward syntax, English-like syntax, and it has a strong community for support. If you are really interested to learn Python, if you have any questions or doubts, yes, there is a strong community to help you. Number 2, online tutorials and courses. Yes, there are numerous online resources available, including interactive tutorials and courses, right? Websites like Code Academy, Coursera, edX, and Free Code Camp, and many more websites. They offer beginner-friendly coding courses. If you are really interested, you subscribe to our SciTechwiz channel. I will also try to teach a language in SciTechwiz channel. Okay? Next, don't forget to practice regularly because it is a programming language, right? Even how do we develop a language? For example, English or any other language. You keep on talking. When you are talking, then only you are able to learn a new language, right? The same way, you practice regularly. Consistency is the key to learn coding. Set aside dedicated time each day or week to practice coding and reinforce what you have learned. Work on small projects. Apply what you learn by working on small coding projects. So projects will help you solidify your understanding and give you a chance to tackle real world software problems. Okay? So try with small projects after you are learning a programming language. Read and analyze code. Guys, this is very important. Look at other people's code. Whether it is an open source project on GitHub or tutorials with sample code, try to look at other people's code and analyze the code written by experienced developers. It can teach you new techniques and best practices. Okay? Join coding communities. First of all, engage yourself with coding communities and forums where you can ask questions. You can share your projects. You can share your thoughts. You can learn from others. For example, Reddit, Stack Overflow, that's famous, right? Even all Java developers, they know Stack Overflow. Even they can't live without Stack Overflow. That's a strong community. And GitHub, these are all excellent platforms to connect with fellow programmers. Okay? Participate in hackathons or coding competitions. So these events can be a fun way to challenge yourself. Work on exciting projects and collaborate with others in hackathons and coding competitions. Okay? Learn data structures and algorithms. This is the crucial part of any programming language. While learning the programming language, the first thing that you do is learning syntax. Okay? You know how to write a program. But how can you create a complex program which solves real-world problem. Data structures are crucial part of any programming language. Algorithms are crucial part of any programming language. Okay? So, understanding all these data structures and algorithms, this is important for writing efficient and optimized code. Guys, there are many online resources and books available to help you with this topic. Contribute to open source projects like GitHub. If you are contributing, they can provide valuable real-world experience and expose you to collaborative coding practices. Build a portfolio. Whenever you are progressing and working on more projects, create a portfolio to showcase your coding skills to potential employers or clients. Okay? Attend coding workshops or meetups. So look for coding workshops or meetups in your area to meet like-minded individuals and learn from experienced developers. Stay curious. And the most important point that I'm telling here is be patient, guys. Coding can be challenging, but stay curious, stay patient, embrace the learning process, and don't be discouraged by mistakes or setbacks. That is quite common. Okay? And finally, remember, coding is about problem solving and creativity. So the more you practice and explore, the more confident you will become in your coding abilities. So try to practice coding. Try to practice it regularly. Whatever I told in this video. Again, watch all these steps, note down either in your brain or in any notepad. Go ahead and learn coding. And I can say, good luck. All the best for your coding journey. Connect with us in SciTechwiz Channel. Subscribe to our channel. We will also teach some coding practices. Okay? Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye.